So dear students, in this video I am going to discuss Adams-Moulton method and applications of Adams-Bashforth method and Adams-Moulton method. Okay, so first we will discuss Adams-Moulton method, which is an implicit method. So again, problem is same, y dash f of xy with initial condition y at x0 is equal to y0. This is equation number 1. So here now in previous method we have used past k data points, but here since you have already used, for example, Adams-Bashforth method, this method you have already developed, so now we will use this method. First we will find out the value of yn plus 1. So now after applying this method, we are very much aware about the idea of yn plus 1. Obviously this idea has some error, okay, truncation error. So now we will improve the solution with the help of Adams-Moulton method, which is an implicit method, and this correction is shown by this graph. You will see that first we will predict the value with the help of Adams-Bashforth method, and now we will correct it iteration by iteration with the help of Adams-Moulton method. So this is the strategy. Okay, so now we will use this k plus 1 because initially in Adams-Bashforth method we are using past k data points, but now after using this we will aware about this point. So now we are having an idea of, rather than k points, k plus 1 points, क्योंकि ये भी अब हमें पता चल गया, इसका भी आइडिया हमें हो गया है. So that's why we will have k plus 1 data points. So now yn plus 1 is known from Adams-Bashforth method, so we will use this and now correct the value iteration by iteration. Okay, so we will use to further correct it using Adams-Moulton method. So integrated again 1 further with respect to x from the limit xn to xn plus 1. So now this will give you this y with limit xn to xn plus 1, and the right hand side is integral xn to xn plus 1 f of xy dx. This will give you yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus integral xn to xn plus 1 f of xy dx. Equation number 2. Now to evaluate f of xy more accurately, we approximate f of xy by a polynomial pk, because now we have total k plus 1 data points. So that's why the degree of the interpolating polynomial will be k. That's why this is pkx, which interpolates f of xy at k plus 1 data points. And this now we are including this point also, last point also. That's why xn plus 1 yn plus 1, xn minus 1 yn minus 1 up to last point xn minus k plus 1 2 and yn minus k plus 1 by using Newton's Gregory, again backward interpolation. We are again using backward interpolation. So that's why f of xy is now pkx, kth degree polynomial. So now the last point will be associated with this term, just like in previous this table we have already developed this table. So now we are including one more point, xn yn plus 1 and then f of n plus 1. So this will be now f of n plus 1. Okay, so here we will have second order f of n plus 1, second order f of n, and so on. So now we are included this. So now our center point will be this. Fine. So this is basically this. So now that's why our formula starts from f of n plus 1 last this plus x minus x, because now the center is this. So x minus xn plus 1 divided by h, nabla first order difference f of n plus 1 plus x minus xn plus 1, previous point will be xn, so x minus xn divided by factorial to h square, nabla 2 f of n plus 1, and so on. And this is the second last term. So x minus xn plus 1, x minus xn into x minus xn minus k plus 2 divided by factorial k h raised to the power k and nabla k f of n plus 1. And this is the error term. So x minus xn plus 1, x minus xn up to x minus xn minus k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 factorial. Again we don't have any h in the denominator. So multiplied by this f of k plus 1th order derivative of f at point xi, where xi is some point in between xn minus k plus 1 to xn. Okay, this is equation number 3. Now since we want to use Adams-Bashforth method, and you know that in Adams-Bashforth method the center is basically this xn. Okay, so we are retaining the same center here. However, the formula is this, but for the conversion this u, so we are selecting the same u. हम सेम u को सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं because we are basically integrating two formulae. That's why we are using same parameter of u. So u will be x minus xn by h. So again here we are using u because this is basically the u. So u is equal to x minus xn by h. So dx will be h du, and then x can be written as xn plus uh from this formula. So now this is our initial point. So what will be the value of this in terms of u? So x minus xn plus 1 by h, this form, this. So this is equal to, first what is x? X is nothing but this. So xn plus uh minus xn plus 1, so xn plus 1 divided by h. So this can be written as, when you take uh by h, so we will get u plus xn minus xn plus 1 divided by h. So this is this. And you can take minus common, so u minus xn plus 1 minus xn by h. But we know that the difference between two consecutive x is h. So that's why this is nothing but h upon h. So now we are having u minus h upon h. So u minus 1. So basically our term starts from u minus 1. Next term में जैसे पिछली बार था, we are having u into u plus 1. तो अब u की जगह हमारे पास क्या हो गया है? u minus 1. So नेक्स्ट टर्म में हमारा क्या होगा? u minus 1, u minus 1 plus 1 हो जाएगा तो u हो जाएगा. ओके, सो अब हमारा टर्म जो है वो u minus 1 से स्टार्ट होगा. एंड सो दिस विल बी द फॉर्मूला f of xy which is approximately pk xn u plus uh f of n plus 1 plus u minus 1 nabla f of n plus 1 plus now u minus 1 और फिर उसमें एक ऐड करेंगे तो u minus 1 into u nabla 2 f of n plus 1 divided by factorial plus then u minus 1 u और एक एक ऐड करते जाएंगे u plus 1 divided by factorial 3 nabla 3 f of n plus 1 and so on, and this will be the second last term u minus 1 into u plus 1 into u plus 2 and so on, u plus k minus 2 divided by factorial k and nabla k f of n plus 1, and this will be the error term. So first in error term, obviously first we have to basically divide by h raised to the power k plus 1 and multiply by k plus 1. And then denominator वाला जो k plus 1 है that is basically जो उसको हम यूज करेंगे in terms of u, so वो हो जाएगा ये u minus 1 u into u plus 1 u plus 2 into u plus k minus 1 divided by k plus 1 factorial, और product वाला h ये रहा h raised to the power k plus 1 f of k plus 1 जाए. Okay, where जाए is x minus k plus 1 and xn के बीच का कोई भी पॉइंट हो सकता है. Okay, तो क्योंकि हमने u जो लिया है वो ये लिया है x minus xn by h, and obviously dx can be written as h du and x is nothing but xn plus uh. तो अब जो लोअर लिमिट है, क्योंकि वो थी हमारी x लोअर लिमिट थी हमारी xn. सो नाउ इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हेन x इज इक्वल टू xn, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फॉर्मूला, अगर इस फॉर्मूले में हम x की जगह xn रखेंगे तो u विल बी 0. So this will be the 0. So xn is equal to xn plus uh हो जाएगा because this is the formula. This is basically this. So when you are putting x equal to xn here, so xn से xn cancel हो जाएगा, xn से xn cancel हो जाएगा. So we will get uh is equal to 0. But h is basically the distance between two consecutive acts. So that is non-zero quantity. So obviously u will be 0. Similarly, upper limit is n plus 1, xn plus 1. So now replace here x equal to xn plus 1. So xn plus 1 is equal to xn plus uh. So इसको इधर ले जाएंगे तो xn plus 1 minus xn is equal to uh. But xn plus minus xn is nothing but h. So h is equal to uh. So h से h cancel. So u is equal to 1. So the lower limit is 0. Upper limit is 1. So now when you are putting this in this equation number 2, then what we will get? We will get yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h due to this h dx is nothing but h du. So h du लास्ट में इंटीग्रल 0 to 1, और f की जगह हम क्या रख देंगे यहाँ पर? पूरा का पूरा ये फंक्शन, पूरी इक्वेशन. So this is basically f of n plus 1 u minus 1 nabla f of n plus 1 u minus 1 into u second order factorial 2 nabla 2 f of n plus 1 plus u minus 1 into u plus 1 divided by factorial 3 nabla 3 f of n plus 1 and so on and du. Now integrate with respect to u and substitute the limit from 0 to 1. So ultimately we will get this formula. So what we will get, yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h f of n plus 1 minus half nabla f of n plus 1 minus 1 by 12 nabla 2 f of n plus 1 minus 1 by 24 nabla 3 f of n plus 1 and so on. Okay, because we are having number of terms. So this is basically the general Adams-Moulton method. This is the formula Adams-Moulton method. This is Adams-Moulton method, general formula. Now depending upon k, okay, depending upon your k, we have different. So this is basically the formula. Now when you take, suppose k is equal to 3. So you are using basically past 3 data points plus 1 is your last term. So ultimately you are using, so if we are having 3 past data points, this xn, yn, xn minus 1, yn minus 1 and xn minus 2, yn minus 2, and this point is already predicted with the help of Adams-Bashforth method. So ultimately we are having 4 points, 1, 2, 3 and 4th. Okay, so 4 data points are known to you when k is 3. तो यहाँ k equal to 3 का मतलब है 4 डाटा पॉइंट्स आपके पास हैं ऑलरेडी, बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलरेडी अप्लाइड Adams-Bashforth मेथड फॉर k is equal to 3. सो वी कैन फाइंड अप टू, जब हमारे पास 4 पॉइंट होंगे तो ऑब्वियसली वी कैन फाइंड द डिफरेंस, थर्ड ऑर्डर डिफरेंस तक हम निकाल सकते हैं इन टेबल. इस टेबल में अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस हम इस टेबल में थर्ड ऑर्डर डिफरेंस तक कैलकुलेट करा पाएंगे. सो दैट्स वाई हम इस थर्ड ऑर्डर तक निकालेंगे तो फॉर्मूला हम यहाँ तक यूज करेंगे अप टू दिस. सो yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h f of n plus 1 this minus half of nabla this minus 1 by 12 of the second order difference minus 1 by 24 to third order difference. Okay, तो यहाँ तक का फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. देन we will replace the values of these differences, first order difference, second order difference and third order difference with the help of binomial expansion. So we have yn plus h f of n plus 1 minus 1 by 2. This difference is nothing but f of n plus 1 minus fn minus 1 by 12. Second order difference means f of n plus 1 minus twice of f of n plus f of n minus 1 minus 1 by 24. And third order difference means this fn plus 1 minus 3fn plus 3f of n minus 1 minus f of n minus 2. When you simplify this, so we will get yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h by 24 9 f of n plus 1 plus 19 f of n minus 5 of f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. This is basically the Adams-Moulton method of order 3. And the error term is this T30 is minus 19 by 720 h raised to the power 5 f of 4 xi. This is error term and this is due to the last term. This when you put k is equal to 3, so we will get this 4 f4. Okay, so this is basically the error term. So this is basically the similarly when you put k is equal to 4, k is equal to, so we will get the different order formulae for Adams-Moulton method. So let's see the example. So this is the basically the example. So first example is y dash is minus 2x minus y and y at 0 is minus 1. Okay, so this is the problem. Now what is the problem? Apply Adams-Bashforth method of order 3. Order 3 means use past 3 data points to predict y at 0.6 and then correct it using Adams-Moulton method. तो पहले हम उसको predict करेंगे y at 0.6 को with the help of Adams-Bashforth method of order 3 and then we will correct it with the help of Adams-Moulton method. ठीक, तो अब आप कहेंगे कि पॉइंट्स तो है ही नहीं हमारे पास, because 0.6 means what? Here starting point is 0, y at 0 is minus 1, y at, this is your x, this is your y. So here the value is minus 1. This is already given to you at 0, value is minus 1. And here the target is 0.6 पर. So this is your target. Y at 0.6 को calculate कराना. ठीक. So and you are using past 3 data points. तो 3 data points means what? For equidistance अगर हम लगाएं here is 0.2, here is 0.4, and then because we are taking h as 0.2, this is the distance. So we don't about y at 0.2, we don't know about y at 0.4. So now to find out these values, you may use Euler's formula, Euler's method. You may use Euler's method because that is very simple. Very simple. So first we will use Euler's method, find out y at 0.2, y at 0.4. After that, we will have 3 data points known to us, and then we can use Adams Bashforth method. Okay. So now to find y at 0.2 and y at 0.4, use Euler's method, and then find solution correct up to third decimal places. Okay. Take h is equal to 0.2. So here this is the points. X naught is 0, already given to you. Then x1 is 0.2, x2 is 0.4, and this is your x3. x3 is 0.6. So this is your x1, x2, x3. And the associated values are y naught is -1, y1, y2 we will find out with the help of Euler's method, and then find out y3 with the help of Adams Bashforth method. Okay. So now first find y1. y1 means y at 0.2 and y2 means y at 0.4 using Euler's method. And this is the Euler's formula. yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h f of x and yn. This is already known to you. What is f? According to this, this is your f right inside. So f is nothing but minus 2x minus y. So now put here, what is our target? Our target is to find out y1. So put n is equal to 0 here, so that we will have y1. So put n is equal to 0. So we get y1 is equal to y naught plus h f of x naught y naught. This is your x naught 0, y naught is -1. So now put the values. So y naught is -1 plus h is 0.2. Function is this. So minus 2 x naught minus y naught. Substitute the values. X naught is 0, y naught is -1. So ultimately after solving this, we will get y1 is equal to minus 0.8. Similarly, put n is equal to 1 here in and find out y2. So y2 is y1 plus h f of x1 y1. So y1 is basically we have already evaluated minus 0.8 plus h is 0.2, and according to this formula, this will be minus 2x1 y1. x1 is 0.2, this 0.2, and y1 we have already evaluated minus 0.8. So after simplification, we will get y2 as minus 0.72, minus 0.72. Okay, so this is the value. And now we are having this data points. X naught corresponding y naught is -1. x1 0.2 and associated y1 is minus 0.8. x2 is 0.4 and associated y is y2, which is minus 0.72. Now for this x naught y naught, find the value of the function f naught, which is with the help of the formula minus 2x naught minus y naught, because f is minus 2x minus y. तो उसकी हेल्प से f naught की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 1. इसी तरह x1 y1 के लिए f की वैल्यू निकालेंगे f1, which is 0.4. Similarly for x2 y2, we will get f2, which is minus 0.08. So now we have passed 3 data points, 1, 2 and 3. That's why k is 3. Now we shall predict y3, that means y at 0.6 at x equal to 0.6 using Adams Bashforth method of order 3, and this is the formula. We have already developed this formula in our previous video. So yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h by 12, 23 fn minus 16 f of n minus 1 plus 5 f of n minus 2. Okay, so put what n is equal to 2 here. Put n is equal to 3, 2 करेंगे तभी ये y3 बनेगा. और क्योंकि हमारा आइडिया है, द इनिशियल आइडिया है, तो दैट्स वाई 0 का हम इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. सुपरस्क्रिप्ट में 0 मीन्स इनिशियल गेस. सो y3 0 इज इक्वल टू, पुट n इक्वल टू 2 रखेंगे यहाँ. सो y2 प्लस 0.2 अपॉन h की वैल्यू है 0.2 by 12, 23 f2 minus 16 f1 plus 5 of f naught. f2 is this value. f1 is 0.4. f naught is 1. We have already evaluated these values. So substitute all these values here and then finally simplify. So ultimately the value will be y30 is minus 1.224. Okay, so this is basically the predicted value. So now to correct it, apply Adams-Moulton method. So Adams-Moulton method is this. We have already developed for k is equal to 3 के लिए हमने फॉर्मूला डेवलप किया था लास्ट इसी वीडियो में. So this is yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h by 24 9 f of n plus 1 plus 19 fn minus 5 f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. ठीक, तो जब हम इसमें फॉर्मूले में पुट करेंगे n की वैल्यू 2, सो वी विल गेट y3. एंड नाउ करेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो फर्स्ट करेक्शन इज डिनोटेड बाय दिस सबस्क्रिप्ट इन ब्रैकेट 1. फर्स्ट करेक्शन, सो दिस इज y2 plus h by 24 9 f3 नॉट मीन्स जो इनिशियल हमने निकाला इस पर पहले वैल्यू निकालेंगे. तो ये वैल्यू है वो f30 विच इज f of x3 y30 we have already evaluated with the help of Adams Bashforth method. तो उसका इस्तेमाल करेंगे. so minus 2x3 minus y3 नॉट, तो we will get 0.024. so ये हमारा प्रिडिक्टेड वैल्यू आई थी एडम्स बैशफोर्थ मेथड से. f की वैल्यू ये हम यहाँ यूज करेंगे. तो 9 into 0.024 plus 19 f2 means this minus 0.08 minus 5 f of 1. so minus 5 f1 is this 0.4 and f naught is 1. After simplification, this is the first corrected value of y minus 0.7392. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, x3 और y31 का इस्तेमाल करेंगे और फिर f की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. सो f31 इज बेसिकली f ऑफ x3 y31. फिर इसकी वैल्यू निकालेंगे तो ये आएगी वैल्यू माइनस 0.4601. और फिर सेकंड करेक्शन करेंगे. सेकंड करेक्शन y32 अगेन यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला y2 प्लस h बाई 24 9. अब हम यहाँ पर फर्स्ट प्रिडिक्शन का कर रहे हैं इस्तेमाल, जबकि यहाँ हमने इनिशियल गैस का इस्तेमाल किया था. बाकी सब वही रहेगा एज इट इज सेम, केवल यहाँ चेंज आएगा f3 में. यहाँ पहले इनिशियल था, फिर फर्स्ट करेक्शन हुआ, फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम सेकंड करेक्शन एंड सो ऑन, ये चलता रहेगा. ठीक, तो जब हम इसमें सारी वैल्यू रखेंगे, अपडेटेड वैल्यू f31 जो कि ये है, बाकी ये एज इट इज सेम, ये सब सेम. so we will get y3 second correction is minus 0.7756. so you can see when you take the, तो they are correct up to only first decimal place तक same है. again third correction किया, same strategy we have applied. now here we have replaced this f31 as f32. rest things are as it is same. तो पहले इसकी वैल्यू निकालते हैं f32 के लिए हमें y32 की जरूरत पड़ेगी. तो ये हमने निकाला f32 विच इज f of x3 y32 विच इज माइनस 0.4244. फिर इसकी वैल्यू यहाँ रखेंगे. अल्टीमेटली दिस इज द वैल्यू y33 is minus 0.7728. so now you can see that two consecutive, this is 0.77 so both are same. so this is basically correct up to second decimal place तक. तो हमें तो थर्ड डेसिमल प्लेस तक लगभग चाहिए. फिर हम y34 निकालेंगे, उसके लिए हमें ज़रूरत पड़ेगी 9f33 की. तो पहले हम ये f33 निकालेंगे विच इज़ माइनस 0.4272. सो ये आएगी y34 की वैल्यू. जब हम ये वैल्यू यहाँ पुट करेंगे तो माइनस 0.7730. एंड सिमिलरली सो नाउ नेक्स्ट निकालेंगे y35 सो विच इज़ माइनस 0.7730. सो बोथ आर सेम. सो स्टॉप इट हियर. सो दिस इज द corrected value. y34 y35 both are same up to third decimal places. so value is minus 0.7730 which is correct up to third decimal place. so basically y at 0.6 is this value. y at 0.6 is minus 0.7730 which is correct up to third decimal places. so this is the basically Adams Bashforth method. Similarly now I am just giving you second example, just idea. okay, so you can note down here with the help of this video. so problem is dy by dx is equal to x minus y square. y at 0 is 1. find y at 0.4 by Adams Bashforth method and correct it using Adams Moulton. same strategy है, वहाँ 0.6 था, यहाँ y at 0.4 निकालना है. obtain initial solution now from the रंगे कुट्टा मेथड. वहाँ हमने यूलर्स मेथड लगाया था. नाउ हियर वी विल यूज रंगे कुट्टा मेथड, ओके, ऑफ ऑर्डर 4 एंड टेक h as 0.1. सो फाइंड सॉल्यूशन करेक्ट अप टू थर्ड डेसिमल प्लेसेस. तो यहाँ हम रंगे कुट्टा मेथड का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, वहाँ हमने यूलर्स का इस्तेमाल किया था. तो एक्स नॉट इज इक्वल टू 0, एक्स नॉट इज 0 पर y की वैल्यू 1 है. ये दिस इज ऑलरेडी गिवन टू यू. सो फर्स्ट you have to find out y at 0.1 because step size is 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. तब हम 0.4 पे निकालेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ एडम्स बैशफोर्ड मेथड, और फिर उसको करेक्ट करेंगे एडम्स मोल्टन मेथड से. तो आपको क्या क्या चाहिए, आपको पहले निकालनी पड़ेगी y1, y2 एंड y3 एट पॉइंट x इक्वल टू 0.1, 0.2 एंड 0.3 respectively. So now to find out y1, y2, y3 use Range Kutta method of order 4. And Range Kutta method is basically given by this general formula. So what is y1 according to Range Kutta method? y1 is nothing but y1 plus y0 plus k. जो इससे पहले वाली वैल्यू होगी that means this y0 plus k, this k step size, and this step size is evaluated with the help of Range Kutta method of order 4. So which is this k is given by 1 by 6 of k1 plus twice of k2 plus twice of k3 plus k4. This is, I think that you have already aware about this Range Kutta method. So now first find out what is k1, what is k2, what is k3, what is k4. So k1 is given by h of f of x0 y0. F is this is your f, x minus y whole square. H is 0.1. So now substitute all these values here. So ultimately value is minus 0.1. K2 is given by h f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by 2. Okay. इसमें वैल्यू रखेंगे, k1 की वैल्यू हमने निकाल ली है, वो इसमें रखेंगे, अल्टीमेटली माइनस 0.08525. सिमिलरली k3 विल बी गिवन बाय h f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k2 by 2. So after simplification, this is the value of k3, minus 0.08666. Similarly, k4 is h f of x0 plus h, y0 plus k3, which is after simplification, this is the value, minus 0.08152. So now we are having k1, k2, k3, k4. Substitute all these values herein and then find out y1. So y1 is given by minus this 0.9124. Okay. So now we have evaluated y1. Now similarly y2. y2 is given by y1 plus k. And we know that what is k? K is basically y1 plus 1 by 6, k1 plus twice of k2 plus twice of k3 plus k4. And what is k1? k1 is now h f of x1 y1. यहाँ था पहला पॉइंट x0 y1, हियर इज x1 y1. नेक्स्ट वाले में x2 y2 चलता रहेगा, जो जो उससे पहला वाला पॉइंट होगा उसका हम यूज करेंगे. तो x1 y1. So now substitute the value, so we will get these. So minus 0.07325. Similarly, k2 will be given by this h f of x1 plus h by 2, y1 plus k1 by 2, and then the value will be minus 0.06171. Similarly, k3, h of f of x1 plus h by 2, y1 plus k2 by 2, and after simplification the value is minus 0.06272. Similarly, k4, h f of x1 plus h, y1 plus k3, the value is minus 0.05220. Then with the help of this k1, k2, k3, k4, substitute all these values herein and find out this k. So k is given by minus 0.06239, and then now substitute this k herein. So we will get y2 is equal to y1 plus k. So y1 is already evaluated, this 0.91244 minus k is this, so minus k. So ultimately y2 is this 0.85006. Similarly, now find out y3. y3 means this value. So y3 is y2 plus k. Now to find out k, we have to find out first k1, k2, k3, k4. So k1 is here h f of x2 y2. तो y3 से पहला पॉइंट x2 y2 रहा होगा, तो उसका इस्तेमाल करेंगे. तो k1 is given by this value. Similarly, k2 is given by this value, k3 is given by this value, and k4 is given by this value. So now k1, k2, k3, k4. So first find out the step size in y direction, which is given by k. K is 1 by 6, k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. k1, k2, k4 ये है, इन सब का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. So we will get minus 0.04340. And then this k is substituted here, so y3 is equal to y2 plus k, but y2 is given by this value, so y2 is this, k is given by this value and ultimately y3 is given by this. तो अब हमारे पास y1 y2 y3 आ गए हैं रंगे कुट्टा मेथड से. तो अब हमारे पास चारों पॉइंट हैं. अब हमें सिर्फ y4 निकालना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ एडम्स बैशफोर्थ मेथड. ओके, सो दिस इज x0 y0, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now with the help of x0 y0 find out f0. So this is f0 है ना, ये this is your f0 means f at x0 y0. So f at x0 y0 जब आप इसमें पुट करेंगे तो ये आएगी वैल्यू -1. Similarly for x1 y1 this is the f1, for x2 y2 this is f2, for this is x3 y3 this is f3. So now we are having 4 points, k equal to 4. So now use Adams Bashforth method of order 4. ठीक, so this is the formula we have already developed in previous video. So we will use this formula, substitute the value, and then finally first put n is equal to 3 here. So this is the formula. So y4 0, initial guess is basically this, y3 plus h by 24, 55 f3 minus 59 f2 plus 37 f1 minus 9 f0. Substitute the values, these values. So ultimately the predicted value is 0.77933. So now we have this x4 and y4 naught. So now for x0 y4 naught we will have first find out f4 naught. So f4 naught is nothing but x4 minus y4 naught whole square. Okay, so that's why this f4 naught is this value minus 0.20735. Now we will correct the value with the help of Adams-Moulton method. So this is the formula for n is equal to 3. This is the formula, yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h by 24 9 f of n plus 1 plus 19 fn minus 5 f of n minus 1 plus 5 of f of n minus 2. So put n is equal to 3. So this is the first correction. First correction is y, यहाँ पे 3 पुट करेंगे n की जगह, तो ये आ जाएगा y3 plus h by 24 9 f4 naught. First initial guess which is already evaluated here, plus 19 f3 minus ये यहाँ से 5 f2 यहाँ से f1. तो इसको हमने रिप्लेस कर दिया है इनिशियल गैस से. बस ये वैल्यू हमने ऑलरेडी निकाल ली है, सब वैल्यू रखेंगे यहाँ. So we will get the first correction y41 is this value 0.77896. फिर इसकी हेल्प से फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट f41, ये आप लोग निकालना, एंड देन वी विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. ये वैल्यू हम यहाँ पुट करेंगे तो सेकंड करेक्शन वैल्यू निकालेंगे y2 सेकंड विल बी दिस y3 प्लस h by 24 9. यहाँ पर हो जाएगा f41 जो आप लोग निकालेंगे, एंड देन रेस्ट इज सेम थिंग. फिर उसको यहाँ पुट करेंगे और वैल्यू आती चली जाएंगी. ठीक, तो मैंने केवल एक वैल्यू निकाल के दिखा दिया आपको, y41 इज दिस वैल्यू. आप सेकंड निकालेंगे, थर्ड निकालेंगे, एंड सो ऑन. So this is basically the application of Adams Bashforth and Adams Moulton method. Okay, thank you.